The documentary Divorce Corp is kind of like sex in porn. Like, no one has sex like they have sex in porn, and nobody does divorce like they do divorce in Divorce Corp. The documentary, I've seen parts and pieces of it, but I stopped watching it after a little while because I just determined that my time was spent better like waxing my cat or sleeping or doing any number of 1,000 other things. Really, what Divorce Corp does is it takes like the craziest situations that exist in the world of American divorce and then tries to generalize that to every divorce and say that everybody in the process is corrupt and so on. And it's just utter and complete garbage. So let me give you some stats. The average amount that a person pays a divorce attorney in the United States to help with a divorce or a child custody case is $3,000. Okay, our average is about $6,000 to $8,000 if there are kids and a home and hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in assets. $6,000 to $8,000. Okay, if there are no assets and it's just kids, it's probably closer to like 5 or 6. All right. So, but the average in the United States is 3,000. So, look, if lawyers were horrid people who just wanted to take advantage of everybody in the divorce process, they would do a lot better job than charging them $3,000. And let me guarantee you, I would do a way better job at screwing my clients out of money more than $6,000 or $8,000. And this is like millions. I've had clients who have had $2-3 million in income per year. Right. And I think I got one of those cases done for like $3,000 or $4,000. Okay. Because I just don't need to do a ton. Like I just go in and I get it done and then I move on. Right. Okay. Now there are cases that are difficult legal cases, like the questions of law or constitutional matters that really take a lot of time, and you have to go to trial and you have to go on an appeal and so on and so forth. And those can run $70,000 to $100,000. Absolutely. But that's if you really, really, really want to fight over very, very complicated legal issues. Okay. The vast, vast majority of the time in the United States, it's 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, maybe 10,000 if you really want to, fight about things. And it's a little bit state dependent. Attorneys in LA are going to be more litigious, and in New York City are going to be more litigious than pretty much everywhere else. And that's kind of where Divorce Corp gets all this crap from LA and whatnot. But again, look, divorce attorneys in Salt Lake City, where I am, or in Oklahoma, they don't act that way at all. So yeah, Divorce Corp is just complete and total garbage.